Hello there! Today in front of me I have Realme GT Neo 3 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get the Fortnite game from the Play Store directly. So let's go ahead and open up any search engine basically. Here you want to type in Fortnite, just like so, Fortnite APK. At the search results, look for the official Epic Games website. Once the web page gets loaded, we want to tap on this black button, wait for the app, or should I say for the APK file to get downloaded. Now you want to open it, but prior to actually installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required that we allow Google Chrome to install apps from unknown sources, or allow apps from this source to be particular. So we have just done just that. Next we can start the installation process. After that, let's go ahead and open the Epic Games launcher. Now tap on the black Get button that is located in front of a Fortnite game, and then install it. Alrighty, prior to installing the Fortnite game as well as the situation we had with the Epic Games launcher, it is required that we allow the Epic Games to install apps as well, so we'll do just that, and finalize the Fortnite game installation. Now we can go ahead and open the game itself, but actually before we are able to start playing, just wait for the Fortnite game to download and install all its updates, all needed resources, and etc. And once the game does that, that will ultimately mean that you can start playing it. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.